Welcome to the newly renovated Merrifield Hall here at the University of North Dakota. Merrifield Hall was built in 1929 and is one of UND's most iconic buildings and now one of its most modern. During the process, it was important to bring the building up to date, but also preserve so many of its iconic features. The new renovations blend this beautiful historic building with modern amenities that allow students a state-of-the-art learning experience. Let's go in and check it out. One of our biggest transformations is our new grand entrance here on the east side of Merrifield Hall. With accessibility in mind, it now features new stairs, ramps, and elevators so students and faculty can travel with ease. Inside, you're greeted with a cozy fireplace, stunning chandeliers, and tall windows that fill the space with natural light. From the second floor study area, those windows give you some of the best views on campus, the perfect backdrop for getting work done with friends. This building is home to many of the disciplines of the College of Arts and Sciences. It is also home to our honors program, but you might find yourself having a few of your essential studies courses here. The newly renovated classrooms have been upgraded with new technology to accommodate all different kinds of classes, including small classrooms for small group teaching and large lecture halls. In this space, this is where you can really see where the old meets the new. The original banisters were kept, however, they're removed and raised to meet modern standards. And look up in the corner, the gargoyles remain, still buried in their favorite book. Another addition to this building is the beautiful art displayed on the walls, curated from the UND art collection. Each piece was chosen specifically and carefully for a place in this building. The Call is one of our most unique spaces here in Merrifield. The Call stands for Cafe for Active Language Learning. It's part cafe, part learning hub, and all about connections. You can grab a latte, meet with friends, or practice a new language in this comfortable, welcoming space. And at night, the Call also hosts events like cooking nights from countries around the world and special event speakers. There are a lot of different study spaces here, from large group study spaces to small cozy ones, so you can always find a place to study. While so much is new, the spirit of Merrifield hasn't changed. It is still a place where generations of UND students have learned, grown, and made their mark. Now with the upgrades to keep it thriving for the next 100 years.